Hey boos, I wanted to jump on here to show y'all a quick tutorial on how to create stickers inside of Canva. I've been getting a lot of questions about that, so today I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial, and you already know I like to get straight to it, so let's go. You're going to go in Canva. You're going to choose just a regular Instagram post, so it'll be 1080 by 1080 pixels. Once you get that, you just want to go ahead and set it to a background color that you want it to be. I chose pink. And then now I'm going to go ahead and start adding some text here so we can make a sticker. So let's go ahead and do boss moves. So for this one, I'm going to do boss moves. And I already have a design on this, so I'll show y'all at the end how it turned out. And let's go ahead and change the font on here. And then I'm just going to duplicate and I'm going to put moves here. And then for boss, I'm going to go ahead and make it uppercase. I'm going to make this uppercase as well. And for that, I'm just simply hitting the format button and choosing the uppercase. And so once I do that, I'm going to go to my spacing tool here, and I want to space my letters just a little bit closer. And I'm spacing for this one as well, just a little bit closer. I like them to be a little bit closer when it comes to this kind of style of a sticker. So I'm going to make this a little bit bigger here. I'm going to put this here, bring it out a little bit. I just want to make sure that they're centered. So that looks good. And then I'm going to go ahead and change this color to white and use maybe this color for that one. And so we have our sticker design that we want to use. So what you want to do now is you want to download this as a PNG with a transparent background. And then once you do that, download it, PNG transparent background, download it, let it do its thing. It should be in your camera roll. And I'm gonna go to another page here. I'm gonna hit the plus sign and I'm going to upload that design that we just created here. And then once it's uploaded into your Canva, you wanna go ahead and select it. Let me change the background color so we can see here. And here's the design that we just downloaded as a transparent background, so it won't have any of the color on the background there. And then I'm just going to size it up a little bit, make sure it's centered. And then I'm going to go to effects, which is down here at the bottom. And then I'm going to go to shadows. I'm going to use the glow effect. And then I'm going to take that transparency all the way up. And I'm actually going to take this up as well, the sizing. So you could take the blur off if you want to. I normally take the blur off. I turn the transparency all the way up. And then you can size this to how you want it to be. So actually, I think this looks good. So I'm going to keep it like this. And I'm going to hit done. And voila, here is the sticker that I created in Canva. And you can use this to sell as its own. You can download it as a SVG file. If you do have Canva Pro, you can download it as a SVG. You can download it as a PNG and just use it that way. I use this design to put on some tumblers, and I will show you that. And here's the one that I created for my store. And I just added it to a tumbler, and then I also gave them the PNG format to use as well, just in case if they want to add it to anything else. And I also added it on pillows. So you can pretty much just be creative with it. All I did was just added like a crown to it, and I can show you that as well here. I just added a crown. Let me see if I can find it. So I added this up here just to make it cute. And I duplicated it and added it at the bottom as well. And then I did flip it just so that way it kind of looked like the top, and center it. And then I did also put like a crown on top of here, and you can do that as well if you want to. Just size it down to how you want it to be, and then size this down, make sure it's on top, centered. And then I also just went in and changed the colors to make it match to my sticker that I have. And there it is. So it's simple, y'all. It's so easy. So this is how you make a sticker in Canva. Make sure you're saving money out here. Do not be spending money on things that you don't have to necessarily spend money on. As a new business owner, we're trying to save as much money as possible in the beginning. So just do whatever it takes to make sure that you get it done. But yeah, you guys, this is how you make a sticker inside of Canva. If you have any questions, just make sure you put them in the comments, and I'm going to answer. But yeah, y'all, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.